he's so fat. I saw a squirrel today, half its tail's missing. Like what happened to you? Look at all the juncos in the yard. Little birds. Oh, man. I just love the splatter all over the ground.
I did. I thought you get some corn out there, and then I'm like, where'd you get corn?
Look, he's just shredding it.
That's what he's after, a string of seeds.
Yup. That thing is having the time of his life.
See, I can tell something being up here stripped this big pumpkin.
Mm-hmm. Dad wants me to go throw all the pumpkins into the woods later so that they're not rotting on that stump, and I should probably move those big ones too. I'll gear up later and move everything. It's like, I think we need to smash them.
I don't think we're allowed to throw them in the woods. No, we're not. You want to know why?
Why?
Because of the seeds. They're invasive species.
What?
Yeah.
Are you telling me gourds aren't native?
I see it. I read it because I was looking at why you should get pumpkins to the animals, and a lot of the negative about it. So
Are you telling me gourds aren't native to this continent?